Alright, so this guy Floyd said that he's better than you in a kendama. He said he challenges you to a duel. He'll beat you. You can't beat him. He'll blank you, KEN to nothing. You know, what do you have to say about that?
All I know is that he ain't gonna beat me. He sucks. He can't even make something I can't do. I mean, I could do. I don't know why he challenged me to play. Because he just sucks more than a baby just trying.
There you have it. He sucks even worse than a baby. So Floyd, this guy Lewis said that you're whack on the kendama. You cannot see him. He's gonna blank you, KEN to nothing. Your skills are far inferior to his. You cannot see him on any form or level. What do you have to say about that?
First of all, I can beat him anytime, anywhere, anything. I can beat him all the time, no matter what or where we are. You know he's gonna lose, and that's all I have to say.
And there you have it. No matter where they are, what they are, who they are, no matter what the circumstance, he gonna beat the brakes off of him. We shall see. Tune in, you guys, to see who's gonna win between Lewis and Floyd.